This family farm adventure guide explains how to get more gems and coins for free on your game account. Gems and coins are one of the most important currencies you can get your hands on in Family Farm Adventure, allowing you to progress in the game. This tool won't increase your skills or make you a better player. This takes a lot of practice, but this will make the progress easier. What can I do with gems and coins? Family Farm Adventure players can now enjoy the game by generating as many gems and coins as you want. You can keep ahead of your friends by doing this cheat Family Farm Adventure. By having unlimited gems and coins, you'll dominate the Family Farm Adventure game. This really is a key reason why many top players in the overall game uses our online tool. Simple to use, as long as you follow the guidelines. This whole process will just take from 5-10 minutes of your time. This tool is the first working Family Farm Adventure mod. Presented how to hack Family Farm Adventure method is real web application that doesn't need to be installed on iOS or Android device. Everything is done on the server side. Whole process takes not more than 5-10 minutes, and believe me, it's worth to do it.